Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Lines podcast. I am your teacher, Sarah.
And hello, everyone. I am Mark. I am a student just like you.
How are you today, Mark?
I am doing well, Sarah, but look at me. My hair is very long.
Yes, Mark, your hair is getting long. Do you need a haircut?
Yes, I need a haircut. That is a good topic.
Exactly. Today, we will learn English for at the hair salon.
At the hair salon, this is very useful. I get nervous at the hair salon.
Do not worry, Mark. We will speak slowly. We will use simple words. We will practice together. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's start.
Part 1. Key vocabulary. First, let's learn the important words. The first word is salon. S-A-L-O-N. Salon.
Salon.
A salon is the place where you cut your hair. Sometimes we say hair salon.
Hair salon. Okay. Can I say barber shop?
Good question, Mark. A barber shop is usually for men. A salon is for men and women. Both are okay. Let's practice hair salon. Listeners, please repeat. Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Very good. The next word is hairdresser.
Hairdresser.
The hairdresser is the person who cuts your hair.
The hairdresser cuts the hair.
Yes. Let's repeat. Hair, dress, hairdresser. Listen and repeat.
Hairdresser.
Perfect. Now the most important word, appointment.
Oh, that is a long word. Appointment.
Yes, an appointment is a time you choose. You called a salon, you choose a time. That is an appointment.
So I call and say, I want to come at 2 p.m. That is an appointment?
Yes, making an appointment is polite. Let's say it slowly. Appointment. Appointment. Listeners, repeat with us. Appointment.
Appointment. I need an appointment.
Okay, Mark, let's practice a conversation. You want to make an appointment. You call the salon.
Okay, I am holding the phone. Ring, ring.
Hello, this is City Salon. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Okay, listeners, did you hear Mark? He said, I would like to make an appointment. This is a very polite phrase. I would like.
I would like. It is better than I want.
Yes, I would like is very polite. Let's try again. Mark, say it slowly.
I would like to make an appointment.
Beautiful. Listeners, your turn. I would like to make an appointment. Great job. Now back to the role play. Mark, ask for a time.
Do you have time on Friday?
Let me check. Yes, we have time at 4 p.m. on Friday.
4 p.m. is good. Thank you.
Okay, see you on Friday.
Bye.
That was easy, right, Mark?
Yes. Do you have time is a simple question.
Very simple. Do you have time on Monday? Do you have time on Tuesday? It's a great phrase. Part 3. Arriving at the salon. Now it's Friday. It's 4 p.m. You are at the salon. You open the door.
Hello, I have an appointment.
Perfect. You say, I have an appointment.
My name is Mark. I have an appointment at 4 p.m.
The receptionist will say, please sit down, or please wait a moment.
Okay, I sit and I wait.
Then the hairdresser calls your name. Mark?
Here I am.
Now you sit in the special chair. The hairdresser will ask you a question. What are we doing today?
What are we doing today? That means, how do you want your hair?
Yes, they want to know your style. This is the hard part for students. How do you describe the haircut?
I usually just point to my head and say, short.
Short is okay, but we can learn better words. The first word is trim. T-R-I-M. Trim.
Trim. What is a trim?
A trim is a small cut. You do not want short hair. You just want to cut the ends, maybe 1 centimeter, just a little bit. That is a trim.
Ah, so if I want to keep my hair long but make it healthy, I ask for a trim.
Exactly. You say, just a trim, please.
Just a trim, please.
Listeners, this is very useful. Repeat after me. Just a trim, please.
Just a trim, please.
Good. But Mark, today you want short hair, right?
Yes, it is summer. It's hot. I want short hair.
Then you can say, please cut it short.
Please cut it short. Can I use a machine? The buzzing machine?
Yes, that is called clippers.
Clippers.
If you want very short hair on the sides, you ask for the clippers. You can say, short on the sides, please.
Short on the sides. Long on the top?
Yes, that's a popular style. Short on the sides, long on the top. Let's practice that. Listeners, repeat after me. Short on the sides,
Short on the sides.
long on the top.
Long on the top.
That's what I want. Part 4. Washing the hair. Before they cut, they usually wash your hair.
I love this part. It's relaxing.
Yes, they take you to the wash basin. They will ask about the water. They say, how is the temperature?
Temperature. That means hot or cold.
Correct. If it's too hot, you must speak. Do not be silent.
What do I say? Stop? Fire?
No, Mark, relax. You say it's a little too hot.
It's a little too hot.
Or it's a little too cold.
It's a little too cold.
Or if it's perfect, you say it's good.
It's good.
They will use shampoo. shampoo. Shampoo.
Shampoo cleans the hair.
And then conditioner.
Conditioner makes the hair soft.
Yes. Listeners, let's repeat these words. Shampoo,
Shampoo,
conditioner.
conditioner.
Shampoo and conditioner. Part 5. During the haircut. Now you are back in the chair. The hairdresser is cutting. Snip, snip, snip.
Sometimes the hairdresser talks to me.
Yes, this is small talk. They might ask, are you busy today? Or do you work near here?
I get shy. What if I don't understand?
It's okay to say, sorry, my English is not very good.
Sorry, my English is not very good.
The hairdresser will understand. They will be nice.
Okay, I can say that.
Sometimes they ask, is this length okay? They show you the hair in the mirror.
I look in the mirror. If I like it, I say, yes, that is good.
And if you want it shorter,
Can I say a little shorter, please?
perfect. A little shorter, please. That's a very good phrase. Listeners, let's try. A little shorter, please.
A little shorter, please.
But be careful, you cannot put the hair back. So go slowly.
Yes, cut a little, check. Cut a little, check.
Part 6. Drying and styling. The cut is finished. Now they dry your hair. They use a hair dryer.
Hair dryer. That blows hot air.
Yes. And then they might ask, do you want any product?
Product, like something to buy?
No, in the salon, product means gel, wax, or spray. Sticky stuff to make the hair look good.
Ah, gel or wax.
They ask, do you want some gel?
If I say yes?
Yes, please. If you say no,
No, thank you.
simple. No product for me, thank you.
I like gel, so I say, yes, a little gel, please.
Good. Finally, they show you the back of your head. They use a mirror behind you.
I nod my head. I say it looks great.
It looks great. That makes the hairdresser happy. Part 7. Paying and leaving. Now you stand up, you go to the front desk. It's time to pay.
I ask, how much is it?
How much is it? Good. They tell you the price. For example, it's $20.
$20. Here you go.
In some countries, like the USA or UK, you also give a tip.
A tip? That's extra money?
Yes, extra money to say thank you, usually about 15 or 20%.
So if the haircut is $20, I give $23 or $24?
Yes, you can say keep the change.
Keep the change. That sounds cool.
It is cool. It means don't give me the coins back. Keep them.
Keep the change.
Then you say goodbye. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. See you next time.
Part 8. Review practice. Wow, Mark, we learned a lot today. You are ready for your haircut.
I feel more confident. Can we review the words?
Yes, let's do a quick review. I will say the meaning, you say the word. Are you ready, Mark? Are you ready, listeners?
I am ready.
Number 1, the place where you cut hair.
Salon. or hair salon.
Correct. Number 2, the person who cuts your hair.
Hairdresser?
Yes, hairdresser. Number 3, a small cut, just a little bit off the ends.
That is a trim.
Correct, a trim. Number 4, the machine for short hair. Bzz, bzz, bzz.
Clippers.
Good, clippers. Number 5, the liquid to wash your hair.
Shampoo.
Yes. And number 6, the extra money you give to say thank you.
A tip.
Excellent job, Mark.
Thank you, Sarah.
Part 9, Final Dialogue. Now, let's listen to the whole conversation one more time, from start to finish. Just relax and listen. Sound effects, salon noise, blow dryers.
Hello, I have an appointment at 4 p.m.
Sarah, playing receptionist.